Hello everyone, and we're doing another unboxing video. This came in today. It's BTS Persona album. I'm not really sure if I got the version I requested from my GOM, but we'll see. She gave me this poster tube. It's something like a freebie. Let's get opening. I'll probably try not to be really chatty this time. As much as this takes so much time to take off, like clean out, I'm so happy that they secured everything so well. Okay, that's out. Hoya will be moving back over there. So everything is in here. Ooh, 22. That's like my favorite number. And it is well wrapped here. So we'll just open this one. And oops. I waited like how many hours? I received this around 1 p.m. and I got home almost 8 o'clock. Yeah, I was hoping to unbox this earlier, but I don't want to open it yet. I wanted to make a video, so. I turned on the torch just because I feel like that's not enough. Oh, yeah, freebie! Take it out. Yay! Okay. Okay, so this is like one of your laminated thingies. It's like an PVC. Love it. Put that over there. This one is from Interpark. This is my freebie from that one. And this Aurora frame. The BH Big Hit shop. This is a magnet. And I will put this on my rack there, and this is from Big Hit, not Interpark. Wow, look at me messing it up. Ooh, excuse me. Okay, it's pretty.
I want to display this, but I don't want to display it too. Like, I'm scared that maybe rats might find it and, you know.
Wait. Here. Oh, they're pretty big. I mean, Love Yourself was just a little smaller or something like this. So I got version 1 and version 2. We shall unbox version 1 first. Let's go. I don't want to be like dance line opening this. Okay, I should stop with that. It's already open anyway. Like the photo card is peeping over there. I don't know if that's the photo card or it's the postcard. I like the texture, honestly. There's like embossed and engraved. I like it. So when you open, oh wait. Should show you the back side. There we go. So version 1. Should I remove it? Oh, this is like minty color. I like the combination. Nothing more, right? Okay, so we got that out. Another notice for the edition survey thing for when you buy, and this is Tete. I like him. There, and then we get this film thingy, BTS it feels like film. It not really feels like film, but like it's not negative, but like
I could use this as a bookmark, but I don't know if I'm strong enough mentally to do that.
the notes for version 1, where it's obviously not translated or whatever. Ooh! 민영기! Love it. Yeah, 민영기! I get Tete, Daegu Boys. That's version 1. I'll do a flip through of the whole album. We done for this version, so yeah, I'm gonna do the other version next. So version 2. Ah! Still the same fields to it. Embossed and engraved. There you go, version 2. And then I'm gonna remove this. We're gonna try to get the things out. Okay, so I got Jin. Ah, he's really cute. This is the version 2 of the notes. Ooh, Jimin! I got Jimin! I got Jimin! Sorry, Jimin. I got Jimin! He's like my best wrecker. Jimin! Thumb thingy? There's no difference. My card and Jimin. Jin. Let me show you the back. Ooh, so pretty. And the notes. And we're gonna do another flip through. this kind of situation.
And that's pretty much it.
So let's get it on one frame. Before I forget, I'm gonna open this little tube here. Let's get this baby out. Oh. Ooh. This is really cute. It's like what you get for your Aurora frame. And then, there you go. I don't really do posters, but I like them. Gonna tuck this baby away. I hope this was okay for you guys, because I really like unboxing videos, and I don't know what to do, if I should still do it. But yeah, let's do a big one frame shot. This is version 1 and 2 from Big Hit and from Interpark. And yeah, my GOM is just really kind, and if you want to buy from her, you're from Philippines, she's a really good GOM, and I'll link her on the description box below. I got Yunmin. I didn't realize it, but yeah, I got Yunmin, and I got Tete and Jean over here, and I'm really happy.
It doesn't really show on my voice because I'm really sad, but I'm really happy how everything turned out.
I might trade with my friend, but like, I might not. Okay, thank you for watching, and yeah, see you on my next one. Bye bye.